Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you guys on how to perform string concatenation or combining the two string using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here sharp-link code stdio.h. Stdio means standard input output header library file in C. So every C programs requires this library file for basic input output processing. Without this, we cannot create any C program. Second library that we will be using is string.h. String.h is a library file in C programming language that will allows us to use built-in string functions. In this example, we have here strcat now for string manipulation. Int main, it is the starting point and ending point of every C program. So basically, when we execute this program, our program in C, it will find this program and execute. The same way when we terminate, we have here begin card string 1 50. 50 means 50 characters the maximum. We have here the word computer. The second string 2 is 50. We have the word string. And then using the library file of string.h, we have here strcat string 1 comma string 2. We are combining. So the output will be computer programming. Printf or print formatting concatenated string %s string 1. Return 0 will return to our operating system. In this case, we are using Windows, and then right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go with our online GDB. Let us click the run button to execute the program. Okay, we have here the output concatenated string computer programming. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to perform string concatenation in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching and support. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.